Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to continue with lesson 4, the Vedic civilization. In the last video we discussed about the Vedas and Vedic literature, early Vedic period and the life of the people, social life, political life, position of women, Varna system, etc. So today we are going to study about the religion. In the beginning of the early Vedic period, the Aryans, they worshipped natural forces. Example, Prithvi, Agni, Vayu, Indra, Surya, Varun, etc. etc. Okay, these were their god in the early Vedic period, in the beginning. In the beginning of the early Vedic period, the Aryans, they worshipped natural forces, earth, fire, wind, rain, sun, sky, etc. And their most important god was Indra. What was the specialty of prayers? Prayers were chanted in open air. There were no temples. Okay. The rituals was very simple, and fire was an important part of such rituals. So in the beginning of the early Vedic period, the Aryans, they worshipped natural forces like earth, fire, wind, rain, sun, sky, etc. And Indra was the important god, and there were no idols, there were no temples also, where prayer were chanted in open air. The rituals it was very simple, and fire got an important part in such rituals. Okay, up to here we discussed in the last video. So today I am going to explain the specialities of later Vedic period. Later Vedic period, what was the important changes that happened in the beginning of the later Vedic period? Aryans, they learned the use of iron. That was an important change that happened in the beginning of later Vedic period. In the later Vedic period, in the beginning of the later Vedic period, Aryans, they learned how to use iron. And they shift their home. They move towards Kurukshetra and Hastinapur on the banks of the river Yamuna. I told you they learned the use of iron. With this iron, they made different iron tools, and they cleared the forest, and they spread along the northern Gangetic plains. They learned how to use tools with iron, and they made different kinds of tools. Then they cleared the forest, and they spread along the northern Gangetic plain. And except Rigveda, it was written in the period of early Vedic period. Except Rigveda, the other three Vedas, namely Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharvaveda, these were composed during later Vedic period. Rigveda is written in the period of, composed in the period of early Vedic period. That is why we are calling Rigvedic period. Except Rigveda, three Vedas also were there: Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. These three Vedas, it is composed in later Vedic period. End of the later Vedic period, that is around 600 BC, the Aryans spread from the Ganga Yamuna Delta to Kosala in Uttar Pradesh and Videha in North Bihar. I told you that they made different tools with iron, and they cut the forest, they cleared the forest, and they spread from Ganga Yamuna Delta to Kosala. It is in Uttar Pradesh in Videha in North Bihar. And what was their political life? About their political life. In early Vedic period, we discussed about Rajan like this. Here, we will discuss about the king. King was the supreme commander of his army as well as the chief justice of his kingdom. King was the supreme commander and the chief justice of the kingdom. His prestige depended on the extent of the area he controlled. He adopted lofty titles like Samrat and Maharajadiraja. Okay. In the early Vedic period, the name was Rajan, but in the later Vedic period, the kings they adopted some titles, Samrat and Maharajadi Raja. And next we are going to discuss about the life of the people. What was the main occupation of the people? Agriculture was the main occupation, and slowly they learned the use of iron. The use of iron produced better weapons and heavier agricultural implements like iron plows. The Aryans referred to iron as shyam as or black metal. Agriculture was the chief means of livelihood. After the invention of iron, the people they started to use iron, and the use of iron produced better weapons and heavier agricultural implements. They made many tools with the iron. What was the amusements like the early Vedic period? Dancing, singing, racing, gambling, they were popular in later Vedic period also. And social life, the family of the male head of the power of the male head of the family increased. In the last class, in the early Vedic period also, we discussed about patriarchal system. That means the senior most male member will be the head of a family. All the other members, those who are belongs to that family, they should obey the male member. Like here also, the power of the male member or male head of the family increased. And the position of women in the early Vedic period, they got respect, and they participated in different kinds of rituals also. But in the later Vedic period, women were treated well anyway, and their presence was essential in religious ceremonies. Women of the upper classes ever received education, but women were considered to be inferior to men and occupied a lower position in the society. In the early Vedic period, we discussed about the position of women, and we learned they got respect, they got high position in the society. At the same time, in the later Vedic period, women were considered to be inferior to men. Man was the superior, and the women they were considered as the inferior to men, and they didn't get high position in society. Anyway, women of the upper class people, they received education, and their presence was essential in religious ceremonies. Now we are going to study about the social division. Last class we discussed about the division of society. The Brahmins, they were the upper caste people. Here also same, the Brahmins came to occupy a very high position in the society, and the Kshatriyas, they were under Brahmanas, including king also. The Brahmanas and Kshatriyas cooperated in a ruling society. Towards the end of the later Vedic period, many Vaishyas who were originally farmers shifted their occupation to trade and craft. In the last class, we discussed about the occupation of Vaishyas. Occupation of Vaishyas. What was the occupation? They were farmers, but in the later Vedic period, they shifted their occupation to trade and craft. The Shudras were now engaged in the cultivation of land and also manual jobs. They were deprived of many of the privileges enjoyed by the upper class. And end of the later Vedic period, the caste system had become rigid and hereditary. In the beginning, it was very simple, but at the end of the later Vedic period, the caste system was very complicated, and it became rigid and hereditary. Okay. And now we are going to study about the 4 stages of life. According to Aryan's life, it was divided into 4 stages. We can call it ashramas. Aryan's life was divided into 4 stages called ashramas. First one, brahmacharya, garhastya, Vanaprastha, and the Sannyasa. These were the 4 stages of the Aryan man's life. First one, Brahmacharya, that means student's life. Garhastya means family life. Vanaprastha, that means retirement to the forest to meditate. And Sannyasa means complete retirement from the family life. These were the 4 stages of a Aryan. So once again I am going to summarize the topics that we have learned in this video. So we discussed about the religion of early Vedic period. What was the religion? The beginning of, or in the beginning, the Aryans, they worshipped natural forces, earth, fire, wind, rain, sun, sky, etc. And their rituals were very simple. The important god was Indra. Fire was an important part of such rituals. Then we discussed about later Vedic period. The main change that happened in the later Vedic period, the beginning of the later Vedic period, that is Aryans, they learned the use of iron and they made many tools with iron. They cut forest and they spread along the northern Gangetic plains. Towards the end of the later Vedic period, Aryans, they spread from the Ganga Yamuna Doab to Kosala. And the political life, the king was the supreme commander of his army and he was the chief justice also. And he adopted some titles like Samrat and Maharajadiraja. Then we discussed about the life of the people. Agriculture was the main livelihood or means of livelihood, and dancing, singing, racing, gambling, it was popular in later Vedic period also. The male head of the family, or the power of the male head of the family, it was increased, and position of women, it was, or women were considered to be inferior to men and occupied a lower position in society. And society was divided into 4. At the end of the later Vedic period, the caste system became more rigid. And then we discussed about the 4 stages of life: Brahmacharya, Garhastya, Vanaprastha, and the Sannyasa. These were the 4 stages of an Aryan's life. Okay, up to here I think it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, it is very simple to understand. Read again and again. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments. Okay.